We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this HP NV7855 printer, and we're going to show you how to clean the scanner glass. So the problem I'm running into is when we're using the top document feeder to scan, we're getting lines and blemishes on our copies and scans, and that's going to indicate there's something dirty on the scanner glass, so we're going to show you how to get that taken care of. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and lift the top of your scanner open. And you can look, there's actually two separate pieces of glass. You have your large flatbed scanner for doing your face down copies, and there's a smaller strip of glass on the left side of the printer. That's actually where all the scanning happens when you're using this top document feeder. So depending on when you're noticing any kind of blemishes on your copies and scans, depending on what type of copying you're doing, if you're using the top document feeder or face down copying, when you see those blemishes, it can kind of help you troubleshoot where you need to focus most of your cleaning. So just kind of a nifty tip to have. Like I said, most of ours is happening when you're using the top document feeder, so we're going to want to focus on the small strip of glass on the left side of the printer. In order to clean it, a lint-free cloth, your favorite glass cleaner. If you don't have anything like glass cleaner available, you can use something like rubbing alcohol. The biggest tip I can give you is to please always apply your cleaner directly to your cloth. You never want to apply your cleaner directly to the glass on the printer. If you do that, you run a high probability of the cleaner actually seeping underneath the glass. Then you can cause a lot more problems than you started with. So please always apply your cleaner directly to your cloth. Once you do that, we're just going to go ahead and clean the glass, making sure we get off any dust, dirt, fingerprints, any kind of ink buildup, whiteout, tape. Those are all really common things to find on the scanner glass. So just give it a good wipe down. Remembering that things like ink and things are going to take a little longer to get off. You're going to have to work at it a little bit harder. But go through it and make sure you get everything taken off of there. And once you're happy with the way everything looks, I would recommend doing a couple test copies or test scans using both methods. Since we cleaned both pieces of glass, I would check both of them, make sure you're happy with the results and all those blemishes went away. If you're still getting just slight little blemishes, then there's just probably something that's a little harder to see on that glass. So just repeat that cleaning process one more time and that should take care of it. Other than that, you should be good to go and back up printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.